Morning and welcome to the release of the land dashboard. So real quick, how to get there. Every morning we get a report emailed to us at 7 a.m. Takes you to this screen, hit land dashboard, and it will pull up. So upcoming subdivisions, these are future subdivisions that are going to be released. Release to sales date is here. The number of lots contained in that phase. The green button date is the date that we will actually begin home construction or the process of home construction. The home start date is the final plat date, and therefore a green button date is 34 days prior to the home start date. Under the dashboard, this shows the land takedowns. So if you look at month number 10 here, we have 7 lots that we're planning, that we're contractually obligated to take down. And this is because we have a final plat and because of pre-sales and model homes, things like that, we were taking down 7 lots and Southern Oaks. Lot inventory. So these are the lots in every single particular community, developed lots, and land in green right now we have 42. That is because we have released phase 2 recently, and we have 96 raw lots, which mean lots that are in process, lands under contract, and we are developing the entitlements to be able to start construction. Entitled means that all the entitlements have been completed and we're just waiting on the correct time to start the actual development. So next we're going to go over the owned not started report. So fairly self-explanatory, but owned not started means that Elliott Homes or My Cottage Homes owns the lot in their name, and we have not actually started a house on it yet. So as you see, most of the lots are in Turtle Creek or Diamond Head. The trigger date for this is receive start package. So field, if you've actually done a little bit of work on it, or if the salesperson has actually sold it, it'll still show up under this until the receive start package scheduled date is in the past. Own started not owned. So this means we have received a start package. I think the correct activity code is receive start package. And once that has happened and Elliott Homes or My Cottage Homes does not own the lot, then it will come under this report. And own not ready, this is ones that we have taken down and for whatever reason they are not ready to begin construction. So most of them are in Diamond Head. Let's say that we bought the lot from the Secretary of State and are currently in the process of making title clear on that. Ocean Beach, maybe because it doesn't have water or sewer to it yet. So those are the main reasons, as you can see. A lot of the time, almost all the time, they're on scattered lots. So I believe that's the last report we're going to go over today. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.